Now let's move to day 4. Now upload all the gigs to these platforms. Now this is the easiest step. Once you have created drafts for all the gigs, just upload them on all the platforms. That's it. Also, make sure they have good titles, description, including your main keywords, because that will bring you the traffic actually. Now, day 5. Join LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Quora. No, these are not social media website in my site. These are actually freelancing websites. So we need to use the potential of these websites and start the actual hustle and take our business to the next level. You need to create an optimized profile on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Quora. By optimizing, I mean creating a complete profile which includes your professional picture, cover photo, skills, education, your about us section, experiences, if any. You need to make it to impress people. Why? Because it is going to be your lead generation machine. That I will tell you in the next step. It will basically use to attract new clients and recruiters. Now move to the day 6. You need to build a brand. In this step, we will build our personal brand. Why? Because it's 2022 and that's how freelancing work these days. You will not just create gigs and sit on the desk waiting for the orders. Yeah, that's how we did in 2010. And today everything has changed. So our strategy to work. It is more important than ever to have a strong personal brand in today's competitive job market. A personal brand results from what others think and say about you when you are not in the room. It is your reputation and it can make or break your career. So, why is personal branding so important? For starters, it helps you stand out from the crowd. In a world where everyone has a degree, employers are looking for candidates with something extra that makes them unique. By developing a solid personal brand, you can make yourself the one they remember. In addition, personal branding can help you command a higher project prices. Also, it will lead you to new opportunities. People will remember you and your brand when they look for someone with your particular skills and expertise. So, you need to create content in order to build your brand. Now, how to create content? Let me tell you. Join the famous blogs and companies in your niche. For example, you are providing marketing services. So you need to join newsletters of marketing companies and check out their blog section too. Pick the valuable information from those blogs and newsletters, forums, and then rephrase them in your own words and post it. Simple. This will keep you and your audience updated about the upcoming trends. Now you say, I can rephrase content myself. No worries. You can also use some AI tools to do that, like Kiltbot and Spinbot are the famous ones and free as well. Now the next step would be to schedule the content in calendar. And you need to use a post scheduler tool like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Postcron. These are the simple and free ones. And start posting your content. And this is how you build your personal brand. Day 7. Double your income. Now, this is the most lucrative part of freelancing. Here, we are going to double our income without doing any extra work. It will all be passive income. So just follow these steps. Step 1. Join high paying affiliate program from your niche. Every niche has great tools and application that also offers affiliate programs. For example, for a marketing freelancer, HubSpot is one of the high paying affiliate program for developer. Hostinger and Bluehost is one of the high paying affiliate programs. So you need to find a program that will help your client in any way, right? Once you find that program, just sign up to that program. Now you must be thinking why we are joining that program. Because we need to double our income by providing double benefits to the client. So whenever a client buys that program, you will get a commission. So isn't it a smart strategy? Right. But they will not buy from you directly. And you do not need to pitch them to join affiliate program as it will sound too salesy. I will tell you how to do it in a right way without being too salesy. Create a document, a free guide which shows them how clients can solve their problem with that particular program. For example, if you are promoting HubSpot, create a document that shows how they can boost their business with HubSpot, how they can create free content planning template with HubSpot, how they can land their emails to their prospect inbox using HubSpot. These are some examples, but you can use the free material they provide to create a valuable guide for your client. That's it. That is the idea. Once you create that document, push your affiliate link in that. So if your customer plan to buy, they buy from your affiliate link and that will earn you commissions for the lifetime. That's it. Now, the last thing you need to share this free guide every time you deliver your order to the client. Means, whenever you complete the order and ready to deliver, just attach this document with that order files and ask them to check out this free guide. This is it. This is how you will double your income with your freelancing income. Now keep repeating the process from day 6 to day 7. Means keep creating valuable content for your clients on social media platforms and with your orders as well. That will help them and ultimately help you in increasing your income all passively. And this brings us to the end of the course, and I'm sure you would have enjoyed these tactics. And if you did, please make sure to leave valuable feedback as it means so much to me. I highly appreciate your time and wish you best of luck to your freelancing career. Keep rocking and all the best. Omar Suhail.